Changing your primary email on Cadence Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Cadence Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your email, click the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow any instructions provided to verify the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Cadence Bank will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.